Question 5. The scatter graph shows information about 8 people. It shows each person's height and the circumference of their head. So on the x-axis you've got the height in centimetres, against on the y-axis the circumference of their head, also in centimetres. Now question 5a says, on the scatter graph you have to plot the information from the table. The table gives this information for 2 other people, their height and the circumference of their head. So the first person is 180 against 72 centimetres. So 180 height is here, 72. Now be careful of the scale, that's 1 square per centimetre here, so 72 is right there. Now that's the first person. The second person, let's do it in a different colour, has a height of 170 and a circumference of 65. So 170 is here up to, oops, I've forgotten, 65. 170 up to 65, that's bang here. Now that is worth your 1 mark if you plot those in the right place. Now describe the correlation. Correlation, let's have a look, is a positive correlation as it's going like that. Okay. Negative correlation is if most of the points generally went down in this kind of direction. So this one is a positive correlation. So I'll write that in, positive, and that's also worth 1 mark. Draw a line of best fit on your scatter graph. Okay, so the scatter graph, the line of best fit, I'm going to do in orange. It's going to be somewhere, something like that. You have to try and get roughly the same number of points on either side of the line, and also these distances on either side should be roughly the same. These distances from the point to the line of best fit should be roughly the same. Now if we have a look, this is also worth 1 mark. Oops, I still got the line. So this is also worth 1 mark. Let's have a look at what the mark scheme says. The mark scheme says your line of best fit must be between the points 140 and 40. So 140 and 40 is there, and 140 and 55. So I'm safe. And also between 185, 60, which is there, and 185, 75. So I'm pretty safe where I've put my line of best fit. Okay, anywhere in between those 2 red dots you would get that 1 mark. And part D, estimate the circumference of the head of a person who is 156 centimeters tall. Okay, so you need your ruler. I'll do this in purple. 100 and let me just check that time. 106 centimeters. So it's here. Draw your line up to your line of best fit and across. So using the line of best fit, I think, or an estimate would be 51, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, about 57 centimeters. Okay, so 57 centimeters. I'm going to write my answer in, is my estimate. Got a line again, 57 centimeters. And let's have a look at what the mark scheme says. Between 52 and 60 would give you a mark. So that whole of question 5 is worth 4 marks. and that's it.